Welcome to the Zendesk Open Ticket Report walkthrough video. This automation creates a detailed report, including current workload of agents, oldest response time, and color-coded SLAs. This data will allow you to quickly assess the number of your open tickets and team workload, so you can proactively monitor your customer support status and performance. First, choose the Zendesk Open Ticket Report template from the library. Then select the workspace you want to run the template in. Next, choose the dataset you want to work with that has been created with the Import Zendesk Dataset template. On the Configure Report Options stage, choose the Zendesk groups and ticket statuses you want to include in the report. You also have the ability to set the number of minutes you want to flag as a warning and alert. In the Configure Email Settings stage, you can configure where you want the report to be sent and the subject of the email. After launching the template, the report will be generated and sent to the designated email address. We hope this walkthrough has helped you to understand how to run the Zendesk Open Tickets Report template in Voliere. Watch the rest of our walkthrough videos to learn more about how the other templates work. Thanks for watching.